let it go. The storm will soon be over. Just take it on to the Lord in prayer. Watch you work a miracle, 'cause the Lord will do great things for you. Great things for you. Great things for you. Look to Jesus, He'll show the way and never let you down. The storm will soon pass, the sun will soon shine, because the storm will be over. Just take it